Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that uh, on your Star Walk 2 app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, when you just click on it, it's going to show for you this like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next zip here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you can here to spectrum here back. Just click in this sign of this color. Like you see here, color it's gone. That's in here. Spectrum back is simply with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.